This is the instruction video to make this pretty rose flower out of paper. We're using 3 5/8 square paper, 4 pieces, a piece of green that's 2.5 by 8.5. Grab some glue, sticky or double-sided. We have a rolling stick or a toothpick if you need, and grab some scissors. We'll start with rolling up the stem. We're going to put glue on this short edge with a finger space with no glue, and on the other short end, glue. I'm going to take the stick and curl it around the stick to start it, and keep rolling it tightly till you get to the end. And there's your stem. Then at the end of the stem, we're going to cut about a pinch down, like a 1/2 inch on either end, and then pull it down so we have like a helicopter. And this is what's going to hold on to the top of your flower. The next thing we're going to do with our 3 by 5/8 square, it can be any size really, that just makes different sized flowers. So we're going to fold it like that, and then this point goes to here. And then this point goes here. When you pick it up, this top is loose with loose points. This side is loose. This side is folded. And we're going to make a curve so it looks like an ice cream cone. If you need to, you can make a pen marking. We're going to cut. It's like doing a snowflake when you open it up. Flower shape. Do this for a total of 4. And then when you have them all done, we're going to take and cut one piece out of this one, 2 pieces out of this one, 3 pieces out of this one. This one is going to get cut in half, and the last piece we're going to cut for 3. I'm going to start with this piece, fold that down. We're going to put some glue here, and bring up the last one. You can curl this one in a little. I'm going to take the stick. I'm going to curl the petals. Now take the one with 4, fold it in. A little glue. The bottom comes up. And we're going to curl the tops. Keep repeating. one. Now we're going to put glue in the center. Stagger it a little. Alternate it. There's your rose. I'll let that dry. Grab a green square, 2 inches. We're going to fold it the same way we did. Loose fold. This time it's going to be a diamond shape. So from this point, go straight up and make a line down. Diamond. And then this end that you didn't cut, we're just going to put a tiny little bit. We're going to have like a star shape, and then we're going to cut a slit. Grab our stem, our glue on. I might have to hold it for a bit to stick. And this goes around. Overlap. And get a little glue underneath here. Push it all down. And there is your rose. This long green one, I'm going to fold it in half. And then rose leaves are a little bit more round, flat. So we're going to do half circles. And then lily ones are long and thin. We'll save these for the lilies. This is for the rose. The slit in the bottom. curl them back a little. There's the rose.